Hello, my name is Marat and on this channel we're talking about stocks. Today I want to talk about 5 main reasons why you should start investing in stocks. First reason is very obvious. It's very low interest rates on savings account. So right here, if you look at the chart, you can see interest rates declining over time. And right now in 2021, they're very close to zero. You will be lucky if you can get 1.5% on your investment into savings account. But most often you're gonna get even less. This leads us to a second reason why you should start investing in stocks. And second reason is inflation. Right here you can see chart of inflation, and it's also gradually going down, but at the same time return on investment in savings account is lower than inflation. It means that all of your gains in savings account will be wiped out by inflation. Third reason why you should start investing in stocks is higher returns. If you compare stock returns to savings accounts, it's gonna be obvious. So right now here you can see that historical average of S&P 500, which is list of 500 largest companies in the US, gave return of around 8% over this long period of time. And if you compare this to savings interest rates of 1.5%, difference is huge. And I guess where you should put your money is obvious. The fourth reason why you should start investing in stocks is high liquidity. If you compare stocks to real estate, which is #1 option for most of the people, you can sell stocks almost instantly, compared to real estate, which can take not just time, but a lot of money as well. So, and for me, it's really big benefit. The last reason on my list why you should start investing in stocks is fun. Yeah, you heard me right, it's fun. Because actually, if you like me, enjoying reading all this news, even without being worried about stocks, you just read this information. And then you can use it to your advantage if you invest in stocks. Because if you're familiar with current events, most likely you're going to be able to understand the stock market movements. So these were 5 reasons why you should invest in stock market. And please do remember that it's not financial advice, and I might be just a crazy man telling you some rubbish, so you always should do your own research before putting your money anywhere. And if you enjoy this type of content, you can subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.